Ever wondered how digital currencies work? Meet blockchain, the technology that's changing the game. Think of blockchain as a digital ledger where transactions are recorded securely and transparently. Every block contains a list of transactions and is linked to the previous block. This creates a chain, get it? Now, here's the kicker: once recorded, these transactions can't be altered. Talk about security. Blockchain is decentralized, meaning no single entity controls it. It's like having your cake and eating it too. What does this mean for you? It means more privacy and security in your online transactions. You might have heard of Bitcoin. It's one of the first applications of blockchain technology. But blockchain is more than just cryptocurrencies. It's revolutionizing industries like healthcare, finance, and supply chains. Imagine tracking your food from farm to table or ensuring the integrity of medical records. The possibilities are endless. Now, let's bust a myth: blockchain isn't just for tech geniuses. Anyone can learn how it works and use it. The future of blockchain is bright. With more innovation, new use cases are emerging every day. So, are you ready to dive into the blockchain world? Knowledge is power. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more insights on groundbreaking technology.